Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of Fixed Target One Wave. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of Fixed Target One Wave. As last week we have seen good momentum has happened, and we have also seen a good moment in the market flowing in our direction. Okay, so without any delay, we will just start with our future analysis, pre-analysis, and our YouTube pair trade, as well as we'll see what has happened to YouTube pair and whether it has gone in a direction or not. Plus, let us just start with the last week's analysis, DXY. So this is our page. As you can see, this is our page. You can this is where I'll be sharing the analysis over here. You can come and join it over here. Okay. So last week, this is the last week, 18 to 24, right? Let's click on this and let's explore what has happened. So last week I have said market will be flowing in the down direction, as well as if it breaks the top also, it will be flowing in the down direction. And I have given all the price, key fundamentals, and everything, bias and whatever the fundamental outlooks also I have given it. Okay, so with that, let's see what market has done here. You see exactly the market has as per the market has went from that direction itself, and it has went way below. Okay, it is right now at 98.65, and I would like to show you something this week for our advanced weekly analysis, what we do and how we do. Okay, so I hope you got this move right. So let me just go to now DXY. If you see, this is the moment that market has done. So I hope you have captured a lot of movement here. So now let's change it, and I'll delete these moments right now. Okay, so if you see now, we have a just since you're liking and you're watching more, I'm just giving you some more hints here. I can see two trend lines covering this area. Okay, whether again the market will respect this area and it will flow. This is what our analysis says. So we expect here market to flow in this direction and tap and go down. This is what we'll be expecting. But in the case of market breaks, I don't think so much. Yeah, this can be the one possibility that I can say. Okay, before that, just a second, let me just show you something. Let me show you something. Okay, so if you see here, as you can see, we have done a weekly analysis here, advanced weekly analysis, and we'll get all the details here. Okay, we'll get all the details here. So if you want this analysis, this PDF to you, you can join our community where our members will be getting all these things. Okay, so we have already prepared before coming to live in YouTube video. We have already prepared the video, and we will be sharing it by today. Okay, here there are two chances that DXY can do. That is one is this possibility that it can do, and let me delete this and show you the next possibility. Okay, this one, in all the cases we are saying market can go and break the top. This is also that high potentially we are seeing. So these are the two possibilities that we see in DXY. Okay, but right now if you ask me most high probability chance, okay, then in that case we expect market to do such thing. This is what we'll be doing. Okay, so let's go to EURUSD now. EURUSD. So last week we said, let's see what we have said in last week. So last week we said market will be going up and it will be pushing down, and in the best case scenario it will be tapping this level. That's what we have also shared here. I think many of my internal members have said that we have sharing a lot of information to you regarding the fundamentals and technicals. So and they are not okay because they are paying and they are not okay with that. So we would like to reduce that. In that case, then we will not be sharing all these things in the upcoming thing. Only thing is we will be sharing the post plus some information than this. Okay, so I'll just play and see what market does. See, if you see the last week's video, I said that market will be tapping this level, correct? If you want to show, I'll just show you right now. Just a second. Yeah, see, this is the level that we were expecting. It was like 1.35. Okay, and let's play this one and see what. See, instead of market tapping, I was expecting market to directly tap instead of going down, but it went down. After that, it started to crawl and it tapped our level. This was just 2 weeks ago. Okay, and at that same level, I have maintained and I have showed you here, saying that still the market has a potential to do this move. Correct? Market has a potential to do this move, and again in this week the market has played well. So this is where the market does, and this is how the time game plays here. Okay, good. So let's go back to the chart. Now as per our, the level has been tapped here, so we'll be deleting this level, and as well as we'll be deleting this arrow and shifting this over to here. Okay, so for the next week, okay, now what is the next week's analysis? If you ask me, in that case, what was okay, you just try to say what will be the, here there are two possibilities that DXY can do. In that case, what will be the EURUSD's possibility? Down, right? Yeah, correct. So we expect market to fall. So this is what, at least fall to break this level, that's okay, but at least to this level. This is what we'll be expecting the market to fall. Okay. In our advanced weekly analysis, we have also shared the levels that we see. So okay, let me just show you what levels that we have mentioned in EURUSD for you. Okay, let me go. This is all indices versus all indices that you can see here, and if you go down, you see EURUSD, you will be seeing here. Yeah, see here, as you can see, this is the pattern that it's forming right now, and these are the levels that it show. So this is how it plays, and this is how we say. Okay, this is the levels that, see, we have given all the two levels. So from this level the market goes, so we'll be looking sells at this zone, correct? And the pattern also we have drawn and to this area, exactly to this area, and we'll be focusing. And this PDF is only for 3 days, till Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday we'll be conducting a live session where we'll be updating the trades of EURUSD, all the major commodities markets, and as well as the minor markets and Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, and even stocks market of mostly in Indian stock market plus US stock markets. Okay, so this is what we'll see, and in the coming week I have given you advanced level analysis for here. You see, these are the levels that we have mentioned, and this is the pattern that it is forming. And as per the fundamentals, we have also shared the fundamentals in our fundamentals sections. We see all the pairs fundamentals, we have shared it here. Okay, fine. So this is what we'll be expecting, and to which level it will be going, that I also have said to you regarding that in the EURUSD pair. Okay, so let's go and see the GBP-USD, and literally we have also shared that same thing in our in our tagline, which we right now, it is free analysis. We do have restricted contents here in our taglines that we will also show here, but it is also free here. If you go up, okay, anyway, I'll show you that in the last case. Okay, fine. Let's see what GBP-USD has done in the last week. GBP-USD is here. This is 18 to 20 to 24. So, and we also said that we'll be having one pair, I mean YouTube trade that will be giving, and that has been ended loss without breaking the bottom. It started to push up. You see here, let's go for here and see, without pushing the bottom, I thought we'll be taking one more bottom here, so that's what I have given this small trade in 1 hour analysis. But seeing this market has taken out, that's fine, completely 1% has been gone. So after that it went way high, so that's fine. Anyway, we were expecting at this level, since see in our we'll keep, see these till here. I think this is on Tuesday, correct? Till here the market reached at Tuesday here. Then after that, after Tuesday, Wednesday, we will be updating these moves. So whether market will be going down or it will be going up, that will be updating on Wednesday. That's what we see. We give only one move for 3 days, and next 3 days for the other move, so that you can make a double profits here, and a good profits here. Okay, So now we have lost 1% here. That's fine. We'll recollect in the next in this week. Not an issue. Don't worry about that. And now, and whatever direction that we have given here, that has met here and has gone way beyond. Okay, let me delete this in front of you. See, I'm just showing the proof of the last week's plus this week's. I also keep note on YouTube pairs for you so that we'll have a good success later on. Okay. The next coming YouTube video, I'll also share the YouTube losses and profits, everything for the YouTube pairs. I mean, sorry, YouTube trade. Okay. And we have also planning to launch a new thing which we see many people are asking that we need a little more lesser amount of them. So we are planning on that, and we'll come back to you soon within 2 weeks. Okay, it's almost done. We just need to do some refinement on that, and we'll come back to that. That will be really helpful, and you'll enjoy a lot. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's go to for this week, what we expect here. So we expect here the trade which I'll be expecting is this one here. Okay, I'll be expecting the movement of here, down movement. So you can also focus, because right now GBP seems to be very strong here, but in the coming weeks I don't feel so the GBP will be strong. Let's see how it reacts with America. Okay, so let's go to New Zealand USD, and in New Zealand USD also I said the same thing. Let's see what I have said in the last week. New Zealand USD is here. I said last week the market will be going up from here, or it will be going tapping one more bottom and it will be going that road. But in the best case scenario, you have to take all the buy trades. If you have lost in GBP USD YouTube trade, you could have made a good profit here, correct? In plus GBP USD also you can have made, not an issue. But here, if you have exactly, it went as per our analysis, correct? So this was a good analysis, and exactly it has went here to our level in the end of the week. Okay, I hope you have traded this week. If you like this analysis, give us a like and share this video to most of your friends so that they'll get benefited, and you can talk to each other and start doing many things. Let me delete all the analysis right now here as per you. So in the weekly analysis, we'll be giving the fundamental drivers, key news to see, plus the levels that it should react, and an update on Wednesday. So these are the three things. If you are not able, that's actually we were thinking of doing a video recorded session, but most of the people are saying from different world. So we thought we'll do a report on that, and we'll just share it to you so that you can translate that thing into any language for you. So that's the benefit. That's the criteria that we are looking. So it will be benefited to you. Okay. If you are from any part of a country, you can just give a translate button and you can translate it easily. Okay, so that's the motive of our community. So right now New Zealand USD has gone to our trade exactly to our level. That's great. And now let's see for the next week's analysis. Okay, so next week's analysis, I can see one more push down, small up, and push up will be coming. This can be also possible, but right now if you are focusing on that, then I'll recommend not to go risk that much. At least this much, it will be fine for you to make money over here. Okay, AUD USD last week, we what we said and what market has done, let us see, and let us come back here. In AUD USD, okay, I think I have not posted AUD USD here. Okay, I think we have missed posting. Okay, I think this is the pair. Okay, I think this got changed. Not an issue. Okay, not an issue. This is AUD USD. If you see here, it is written here. So we said market will be coming up and it will be pushing down, but instead of that, market just it came up and it tried to fall, but instead of that, we gained momentum and started to climb up. That's completely fine. Anyway, that's completely fine. We are not 100% sure, or all pairs. We do mistakes, we do some analysis wrong, and we'll correct that by coming up with good analysis. Okay, so that's fine here. So let's delete this. I hope you have made money with other pairs. So let me just start with here now. Areas again, what will be the thing? So right now AURUSD, I'm expecting one more fall is possible for me. That is what I can see, and as per analysis, let us see what it has to do. But in the case if it breaks the top structure, I don't think so it will be breaking, but if it breaks, let me update you. Okay. Okay, USD we were expecting market. Okay, last week, let us see what market has done, and let's come to this week. USD is here. So market was here, and let's see. I was saying market will be coming up and it will be falling down. Instead of tapping that level, market just crawled with lack of momentum in a bias. Okay, so that's fine. Anyway, market will do sometimes like this. That's completely fine. So let's delete this and change the level to here, so that, yeah. Now what do we expect here? So we expect here market to push up again to tapping this level. So this is the level, if it, because right now it is in a state where it is lacking momentum here. So we expect market to be tapping here, but in the case if I see in a bigger picture, okay, the market is not right now in the uptrend. I'll say that. Oh, sorry, it is not in the uptrend. Okay, so right now just focus on this moment here and make a small profit over here, and you can just leave the rest on the Wednesday. I'll give you an update on Wednesdays. Next, USD chef. Okay. Okay, there is one more advanced analysis pair that we like to show you here. USD chef. Let's see what market has done here. Okay, USD chef. Let us see what market has done here. Okay, so we'll see what USD chef has done here, and let us see what in the last week. Okay, let's go to USD chef. So we expected two things. One is directly falling from that. One is going up, tapping the above level, breaking the top and coming back. Let's see what market has done. The market has just crawled down and started to fall here without tapping this level. So both any of the one of the possibility, our aim was only a down move, correct? And that is what it has triggered. That was good. That was a good move, and I hope you have captured and made a lot of money here. So let us come to USD chef here. So I can see, what I can say is, so market seems to be crawling down. I feel little more crawl down, come up. This will be the next height. Okay, so we expect these things to happen. Market can go up, market can push up a little more. Okay, good, right? I hope you do not have any inquiry on this. Let us go to gold right now. Last week what we have said, market will be pushing up. I hope if you have traded the gold, you had made a lot of money. Let me see what we have said in the last week. This is last week's analysis. We said, see, market will be going up. Okay, our direction is just to buy, nothing else. And let's see what market has done. See, market exactly did, and it has stopped way above our level. It was like 33.57 level. Right now it is in current price. So I hope with this move you have made a good profit here. And let's come back to our analysis here. So let's delete this in front of you, and let me just keep this. Okay, right now what do we expect in gold? Whether this trend line will be respected or not. That's the point here. Whether if it respects, then it will be falling down. Let us see how the market behaves in the coming week, and let us see. But right now, if you want to be in a safer side, let's be over here at this area. So this small momentum is for sure. Let us see. Okay. Nifty 50, let us see Nifty 50 what market has done, and let us come back to here. So Nifty 50, if you see, I said last week it will be falling once more, tapping the level, and it will be pushing up. And let's see, market was just crawling at the range, small crawling. This is kind of consolidation, I can say. So market has not gone anywhere. So what do you expect for this week? So what do we expect? I'm still biased in the same way, saying that still the market seems to be tapping this level before going up. I want market to be tapped this level before going up. Let me show you, let me mark it for you. This is a level that I'll be expecting still here to market tap and before going up. Okay, this is what I'm still on this bias. There's no change in the bias in NIFTY. And BTC USD. BTC USD last week, let me see what I have said and what has happened really. So I was expecting market to fall, and if it breaks the top also, market to fall. Instead of that, market has just climbed up heavily and it has gone up. So this was also our analysis that we had gone wrong here in the BTC. That's completely fine. We'll try to correct on the upcoming part. We'll go a little more deeper on this, because in the midweek, in after Monday, it can change anything, right? So that's what it has happened. So that's completely fine. Let's see what this week we have analysis here. Let's delete this. Okay, so do you see, I'll just say, since we were wrong on this and we were doing our due diligence and research parts here, let me tell you something about here. You see this momentum here, and after that you see this consolidation and this momentum, correct? You can see the flat momentum is here, and after that market is crawling down. So market is unstable. Market is just taking now higher highs, but whether the moment that it gains is not very huge. It's just crawling with kind of panic, okay, because of the markets, what we can say, geopolitical tensions, okay. So I hope you understood this. Now let's see what next week we'll be having in GBUSD. Let's market will be going up, pushing up, and almost fall is possible here. This is what I'll be expecting BTC USD. Okay. And with this, I like to conclude the trade here. Okay. Before that, let me just show you what is the best pair to trade here. Okay. Just give me a second. I'll give you the best pair to trade here. YouTube pair. Okay, YouTube pair right now it is in mid. I will not give you right now, so it's better maybe after launching the plan I can start giving that. Okay, fine. So with this I like to conclude the video. Have a great trading week. Bye bye. Take care.